Here's my Hmong item of the day, 14. I don't think I did this one yet, but here is it's a sash that goes around your waist. There. Isn't that crazy? All that was handmade, like hand sewn. Gosh, how much time it took to do that. It's crazy. A lot of patience. Super pretty. There it is. And everything is hand sewn. Even like those edges. This is called reverse applique, I believe. I've tried it, it's really hard. There, all those little colors. Look at that yellow that they put in between. So pretty. I probably will never wear this one. I will save it for my kids and just kind of hand it down. It's too pretty to wear. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.